Hey guys, Llama here with my first unboxing. This is my most recent package from the Cubicle. As you can see, I tried to tear off as much as I could of my information. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I bought this last Thursday. It was about an $80 order. And I was super excited, and I got it today, and I'm like, you know what, fuck it, we're doing an unboxing video. First off, if I can get them out, we have my little cubicle stands. I got these. I needed some stands to put like my 3x3s and stuff on the shelf. Got the square one, the pillow 3x3. This thing's tiny as hell. I got that because it was on sale. The Yuxin Magic Cube. I'll have to open this guy up because I'm not actually sure which puzzle that is. Here's my Dino Cube. That might be the Ivy Cube, actually. Here is my, looks like the Gigamorphix. Yep, the 5x5. We have, no, that's my Ivy Cube. Some information right there. Here's my Megamorphix, which is really beat up. And my 6x6 with some sticker with it for some odd reason. You can't really see that well. I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's supposed to be for Memorial Day or what that is. So guys, we're going to go ahead and start with the 6x6. YJ's normal box. I really like how they do their design with the holographic images. I think it looks really clean. So I got bright white. We got a little, how to solve. And I'll do a full video on all of these. I just want to do my quick quick-ish unboxing. First impressions. Feels like a 6x6. Actually feels really tiny. Like, I'm used to the 7x7, which is really big. It's a little clunky, but it's also a 6x6. So here we have the Megamorphix, which these were the puzzles I was most excited for, was the Morphix puzzles. More than anything else. And I guess I can't be too upset about the box being beat up. This is a really weirdly shaped puzzle. Let's see. So far, turning is not as nice as the Master Morphix that I have. This is a 4x4 shape mod. So we got the 6x6, we got the Megamorphix, we have the Gigamorphix, this is the most exciting puzzle. But this is the puzzle I was most excited for, is this Gigamorphix. I love Morphix puzzles already. I don't know if it's the shape. I don't know if it's the... Oh, I forgot to go over the box. So just some simple Japanese I'm never going to be able to read. And picture the cube in a little hole, just this cube and then some other letters. I don't really know what it says. The other box is identical, just with a, Gigamorphix. This one turns way better. I think it just has to do with it being an even layered cube. This one actually turns wonderfully. I'm excited to solve this one. That's the Gigamorphix. So here we have the Ivy Cube, which is just showing a picture of some of the other designs they got. For some reason, Speed Cube. I don't know why you would Speed Cube an Ivy Cube. I don't know why I would ever speed solve an Ivy Cube. So we got a little how-to on it. Initial thoughts, turns really well, actually. So far, so good. So now we got the Dino Cube. Like before, just some pictures. For some reason, there's a 3x3 on here from, what is that, Matt's Bala. I don't know why he would be on here when it's a Dino Cube, because this is not a Speed Cube. I've never really understood that. We got another little how-to, another little interesting puzzle. Not sure what this would be considered. Gonna have to clean this one off too. Turns a little clunky. I think that might just be how the mechanism's made. I'm not sure. I've never owned a Dino Cube. I've never owned any of these kinds of cubes before. So once again, we got what I believe. Yep, it's a Scube. It is the Scube. Wow, this thing actually turns kind of not bad, but the plastic it's made out of is just trash in comparison. Like, I'm not a big fan of like this matte plastic that some companies use. I much prefer like how Xingqiao and YJ does it out of this like more glossy material. I think it just feels better on my hands. Goodbye. Maybe that's just me though. I'm not really sure. So square one. Also, just another picture of a you know, another speed solver for some odd reason, some how to solve. So another one with the same pictures, with a picture of a square one and its internal mechanism on the front, which is pretty cool. Some QR codes. I'm not sure what's on those, but another how-to. We're not going to touch that. Much better. Like, why could this cube not be made out of this plastic? I love this kind of plastic way more. The internal's a little scratchy, but that's fine. And I'm going to be, like I said, I'll do a full review of each of these once I kind of get some time on them. I just want to do this unboxing first. And this guy, I got more. I got it as a novelty. It's called the mini bread? Dude, that's freaking great. Dude. So it's a mini cube. It's a mini bread cube, 4.5 centimeters. That's one of the reasons I got it, because it was tiny and I thought it'd be fun to play with. And I was very much right, because this thing, it's so tiny. Here's my YJ. Dude, here's my YJ Yulong, and then here's this little guy. I got it because I was like, this will be a fun little thing to have. I thought maybe I could practice some one-handed stuff on it, but I didn't think 45 centimeters would be just this small. Okay, so that's everything I've gotten in this package. So some little stands for these guys to sit on. That's for my shelves behind me, which you guys can't see right now. I really needed some more of these, but that's all I really wanted to buy right now. So just a last overview of what we got here. We have the YJ. So we have the 6x6 from YJ. It's the Yushi 6x6 V2. We have the YJ mini pillowed, little bread, apparently bread cube. We have the Xingxiao Megamorphix. We have the Xingxiao Gigamorphix. We have the Yuxin, oh god, I hate picking up scubes because of that reason. The Yuxin Black Kirin Scube, which the Shishi, I can never pronounce these Chinese names right. I probably never will. Ivy Cube and Dino Cube. So they're both made by the same company. And then we have the Yuxin Little Magic Square. So overall, well, not overall. There's nothing really to say about it. So I'm going to spend some time on these puzzles. I'm going to do some streams on them. If y'all want to check out the streams, Monday, Wednesday, Friday are going to be the cubing streams over on my channel, which you can find in the description. So anyways, guys, thank you for watching. And I hope you enjoyed the video and are excited to see some reviews of these, because I am super excited to start playing with them. So anyways, guys, have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.